Hi girls, welcome to a new video. So, um, um, as I hope you read my instructions on the announcement. So, just a quick recap of the instructions. On Monday, this Monday, I uploaded a special homework number 9. If you didn't see it, I uploaded it again with this announcement. And those who have seen it and worked it out, I also uploaded the answers in a separate PDF. If you didn't work it out, the special homework number 9, don't worry, do it. And when you finish, check your answers and please let me know how you got on Edmodo. Just send me like a quick message of your overall performance. So today we're going to be focusing for the next 3 days we're going to be focusing for the next special homework that I'm planning to give you on Friday. And we are going to go over again the balancing equations, all right? And we're going to add something new also to this part of the topic. So, okay. So what would I like you to have in front of you? I would like you to have your lined paper in front of you. I want you to write down the date on the right hand side. So today is 1st April, April Fool, all right? And what title shall we give it? Let's see, what title do we have it on here? I think balancing scales, but let's check. So, all right, so we're going to use the same title, balancing equations. All right, so black marker, balancing, all right, equations. Now in short, equations, I tend to write it EQ to the power of NS. It is correct to write it this way in mathematics. And in fact, at university, we had to write so many things, and our equations used to be 2 pages or 3 pages long to solve them, that we had to learn how to write things in short, and this was one of them. So when you see me writing it like this, it means equations, all right? It starts with the EQ and ends with the NS. So I'm going to go over it. So today is going to be a revision. All right, so let's start. So I'm going to give you your first balancing equation. So this is what you wrote down on your lined paper, 1st April. All right. Please have your mini whiteboard ready. I'm going to give you one to work out now. I want you, so the example is, example number 1. Let me use the same thing how the book has it, so that you don't get mixed up and you don't say, but miss, the book is written differently. What does it mean? And it will always mean the same thing. So we're going to write down the equation for each scale. Mela, write the equation for each scale and solve it. All right? And we're going to do 3 as a revision. So this is letter A. So letter A, my scale looks like this. All right. I have a package with an unknown value, a package with a value of 2 kilograms. I don't really have space to write down the kilograms, all right, guys? But this is 2 kilograms. And on this side, on my right hand side of my scale, I've got a package with 5 kilograms and a package with 2 kilograms. So pause the video and try to do it on your own using your mini whiteboard, please. Okay, so I'm going to do it myself. Now I'm going to rub off this part because I need space, all right, guys? So if you remember, and you should have your notes of balancing equations in front of you too, maybe I didn't tell you, but you should have it because it is a guide. I always like you to use your notes, and you need to know how to use your notes. The first thing we did was left-hand side equals right-hand side because a scale is supposed to be balanced, all right? On the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Now, we need to find the value of this missing package. Now, it doesn't have anything written, but we tend to give it a letter, X. So let's write down what we have on the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, we have an X and a 2. And since they're together means plus. And on the right-hand side, what do we have? A 5 and a 2. And since they're together, it means plus. And everything's equal. All right? So now, this I can rub it off. Good. So I have x plus 2 on this side equals, what's 5 plus 2? 7. Now, what can you plus to the 2 to give you 7? Now, some of you would start going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my answer is 5. Very good. But sometimes the values are going to be too big. So what are we actually doing to the 7 and the 2? We are subtracting. So, x equals 7 minus 2. I am writing each and every step. And yes, you all have to write each and every step for the time being. Thank you. Good. And so x is 5 kilograms. Make sure you write down the units. So I'm going to rub it off. I'm going to write down B. So B, let's see, can I do it better? So I'm going to have 2 empty packages, 2 unknown values of same weight. This is a 1. And I'm going to have another one with a package of 5 kilograms. 1 kilogram, 5 kilograms. Now, pause the video and try it out yourself on your mini whiteboard. If you tried it out, we're going to start doing it now. Left-hand side equals right-hand side because it is a balanced scale. I have 2 packages, they are of the same weight and they are unknown, so they're question marks, but we give them a letter, x and 1, and everything is together, equals, and what's my known package? 5. How many x's do I have here? 2. So 2x plus 1 equals 5. Now, plus 1, what do I do? Mela, let me start collecting like terms. The 1 and the 5 are together. All right? So, let me take them on one side. So, plus 1. On the other side, what will it be? What's its opposite? What's the opposite of plus? Minus. And what's 5 minus 1? 4. Now, what do I multiply to the 2 to give me a 4? 2, 4. So the value is 2. But if my values are very large, I have 2x equals 50. What am I going to do? 2, 4, 6. What will I do? I will do division. What's the opposite of times? Division. So x equals 4 division by 2. X equals 2. 2 what? Kilograms. All right? Make sure you pause the video, you check your answer, and even you write it on your lined paper, girls. Now, I'm going to give you the last one. The last one is letter C. So letter C, I want you guys to be thinking, I remember this. Yes, miss. I remember. That is what I want you to have as an attitude. Don't worry if you get something incorrect. It's not the end of the world. We are practicing again. These, like I had told you, that we will be practicing again. And you are remembering how to do it. So, we've got a balanced scale. So, left-hand side equals right-hand side. Now, just in case you're not seeing what I have written, so here I've got 2 known packages. One of them has a value of 20 and the other one has a value of 6. On the other side, I have 3 boxes on top of each other, and they all have missing values. So when they have missing values, we've got an X, an X, and an X. And this valued package, which does not, which the value is obscure, is the value 8. All right, good. It's still the same thing. Like on the menu, or like on my whiteboard, you're going to still be asking me, Miss, what's this value? Mela, left-hand side. They're together. I hope you're trying it out, girls. Sometimes I forget to tell you, but I hope you pause it and you try it out. 20 and 6. And means plus. This is equal to, Mela, I've got X and X and X. Mela, X plus X plus X. And 8. So it doesn't matter that my X's are on my right-hand side now. Still the same thing. What's 20 plus X? Oh, 20 plus 6, sorry. 26. What is X plus X plus X? It's like I have a cat, and a cat. So how many cats? 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 3x plus 8. Mela, let me collect like terms, the 26 and the 8, because they're the ones which do not have an x. Plus, what's its opposite? Minus. So 26 minus 8, girls, what is it? 26 minus 8, 6, 7, 8. So, I think it's 18. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, 18. Phew. Mela, how is 3 attached to x? By a times. What is it? What's the opposite of times? I'm going to continue over here, guys, because I don't have any more space. Division. 18 division by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So 6 kilograms. So each of these packages over here are 6 kilograms. And just to tell you guys, Mela, if there's 6 kilograms, Mela, I've got a 6, a 6, and a 6, and an 8. 6, 6, 6, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So in total over here, I've got 26. I've got 20 and 6. So in total over here, I've got 26. And they are the same. And that's why they are balanced. Alright girls, so this was a quick revision of everything that we've done regarding balancing scales, balancing equations. And I will see you on Thursday tomorrow. Bye girls.